Green bean casserole and the kitchen of your dreams. A match made on the Space Coast. Ah, the green bean casserole. Is it even holidays without the creamy, crunchy, soul-warming dish gracing your table? Whether you're team homemade or team grab a can and pray, green bean casserole is a must in every kitchen. But let me ask you this. Is your current kitchen giving you these classic dish the respect it deserves? If you find yourself balancing casserole dishes on a too small counter or wrestling with an oven that seems to have a mind of its own, it might be time for an upgrade. Not just your recipe, but your entire kitchen space. The perfect kitchen, a green bean casserole dream. Imagine a kitchen where you can saute your green beans to perfection on a gas range that doesn't sputter. A spacious island where you can whisk together your mushroom sauce without bumping elbows with a toaster. And of course, a double oven that bakes your casserole and warms your dinner rolls without the passive-aggressive timer beeps. The right kitchen isn't just about functionality, it's about creating memories. And let's be honest, green bean casserole tastes even better when it's prepared in a space you love. But while you're dreaming of that perfect kitchen, let's perfect your casserole game in the meantime. Green bean casserole recipe, the classic crowd pleaser. Here's how to make a green bean casserole that will win over your guests and maybe distract them from the kitchen you've outgrown. Ingredients: 1 can, 10.5 ounces condensed cream of mushroom soup, 3/4 of a cup milk, 1/8 of a teaspoon black pepper, 4 cups cooked green beans, fresh, frozen, or canned, your call. 1 1/3 cups French fried onions, plus extra for snacking because you deserve it. Instructions: preheat your oven, set it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix it up. In a large mixing bowl, stir together the soup, milk, and black pepper until smooth. Add the green beans and 2/3 cup of the French fried onions. Mix well. Assemble. Pour the mixture into the casserole dish. Bake. Pop it in the oven for 25 minutes. Crisp it up. Sprinkle the remaining French fried onions on top and bake for another 5 minutes until golden and crispy. Serve and enjoy. Pull it out of the oven, let it cool slightly, and dig in. Here's where I come in. Hi, I'm your favorite Space Cold realtor. Yes, it's official. I heard it straight from the green beans. I specialize in finding homes with kitchens so fabulous, even your casserole will feel like a celebrity. Whether you're dreaming of a sleek modern appliances, a farmhouse-style sink, or just a place big enough for the whole family to gather, I've got you covered. Let's upgrade your holiday traditions. This holiday season, don't just dream about the perfect kitchen. Let's find it together. Call, text, or send me a smoke signal, preferably not from an overcooked casserole, and let me show you some homes that'll make your inner chef sing. After all, life's too short for bad kitchens. And even worse, bad green bean casseroles. Let me help you serve up both with style. Ready to make the move? Let's get cooking on your new home. P.S. Don't forget the French fried onions. Every good casserole deserves a little extra crunch, just like the great kitchen deserves a little extra love.